This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the hardware can sustain a fixed refresh rate. Use a high-speed display port or HDMI cable and avoid passive adapters that force lower modes. Next, open your monitor's on-screen menu and disable any auto or dynamic refresh modes so the panel won't switch by itself. While you're at it, update the GPU driver to the latest stable release and note the current version. This prevents driver-induced mode shifts and gives you a rollback point. Once done, open your operating system display settings and explicitly pick the target refresh rate for that monitor. Don't rely on automatic selection. Then open your GPU control panel and create a profile tied to that display, forcing that refresh rate and a specific resolution so apps can't override it. Make sure adaptive sync, G-Sync, FreeSync, or any dynamic frame rate features are turned off in both OS and GPU panels. Otherwise, the system will switch rates to match content. You finish by confirming the rate with a refresh rate detection tool or the monitor's info overlay. Check several apps and both windowed and full screen modes to ensure it stays constant. If the rate still changes, recheck cabling and connector pins, test an alternate certified cable, and temporarily roll back the GPU driver to the previously noted version. Key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, boot with a simple single display profile and add displays one at a time to isolate the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.